It's Animal Girl Cool Channel, and today, well, it's like 8 o'clock at night, but I just got back from my special little place, and it's, well, on my phone it's 8 o'clock, but on the stove is it just changed to 8, never mind. But here's my fidget, oh, and then here's my chocolate ice cream. News, really, but there's my ice cream, and here's the little shorty, and here's the birdies. Wisdom, please. They can fly for some reason. I don't know why though. Come here. Come here. What if y'all show the guys how y'all fly? Yeah, good girl, Wisdom. Y'all can see her, but Riley's probably gonna be kind of hard to see. But here he goes. 3, 2, 1. Fly. There you go. And he loves to fly. There he is. He's a good guy. And he's on my... Ow, that hurt. He was on my shoulder, but there they both go. So I hope you're really enjoying my YouTube channel, but let me take a bite of my ice cream. Got it from Brewster's. And this is what I do for my dad. Get outside, and well, I don't really know what I'm gonna say, but the birds are outside. Not outside. If they were outside, they would be flying away. But there's Rally. There's Wisdom. Butterfly. And then they both go. But I hope y'all are enjoying my videos. I'm going to make some more tomorrow, because we are going to Belvedere. And I'm going to make some once we get to Belvedere. We have no furniture or anything. We're just going to be like camping out. But we're going to get the boat in the water. We're going to go ride some waves, catch some fish, go on an island, and hope y'all enjoy the video tomorrow, and I hope y'all enjoy the video today. Bye! Peace.